Hello, today I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble your Visor and your X-803 motorcycle helmet. So there it is. The visor is on top or on the front side of your motorcycle helmet, and open the visor completely. Press and hold the visor release button down and slide the visor forward until it clicks. So press and then move forward and a little bit upward, as you can see, and shake a little bit. Press and job's done. There it is. The first side is released. Now go to the next side. This is the right side. The same procedure as before. Press and hold the visor release button down and slide the visor forward until it clicks. Job's done. Disassembling completed. Yeah, good job, as you can see. Now let's assemble the visor again, or a new one. Set the visor in open position by placing the visor fastening in line with the housing in the visor mechanism. There it is. This has to be in one line, and then it locks. Insert the fastening into the provided housing and press the visor against the shell in line with fastening part 2. This will push the visor release, and of course you have to push a little bit the visor release button, but it locks after this. Slide the visor backwards until the visor release button clicks. That means you have to move the visor a little bit forward and backward, shake it a little bit. And now the other side is the same procedure like before. There it is, completely assembled. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.